buying a home as a senior isn't as simple as it used to be. With higher home prices, plus lenders making it more difficult to qualify for a loan, it's definitely more challenging to buy a home. But in this video, I'll walk you through these challenges and I'll show you what you can do to make this process a little easier. Hi, my name is Casey, and on this channel, I share information about the housing market here in Corona, California. And I specialize in helping seniors buy and sell homes here in the 55 and older communities of Southern California. But unfortunately, there are a lot of challenges for seniors looking to buy a home. And whether you're looking to downsize, relocate, or just looking for a lifestyle change, these issues can complicate the process. So let's take a look and see what these challenges are. Number one, financing and qualifying for a loan. Now, one of the biggest challenges for seniors is just how difficult it can be to qualify for a mortgage once they retire. And even if you have excellent credit, lenders look closely at your income. And when your income comes from Social Security, a pension, or investment withdrawals, it can be tricky to get a lender to approve your loan. And even though you may have plenty of assets, it's no guarantee that the loan will be approved. And when you factor in that interest rates are higher now, the issue of affordability can be challenging when trying to qualify for a home loan. So it's important to work with a lender that understands and can help seniors. Number two, your cost. Now, buying a home is rarely just about the price of your home. You will have additional cost, things like closing cost, moving expenses, and repairs or updates to the home you're going to buy. And many seniors find themselves weighing whether it's worth dipping into their retirement savings when they buy a home. And this can be a tough decision because seniors have to worry about how long their money will last in retirement. So working with a financial planner can really help with this one. Number three, finding the right type of home. Now, this is one I see all the time with my clients. Now, most seniors tell me they want a low-maintenance, single-story home. And it sounds easy, right? Well, the truth is, these type of homes aren't always as easy to find. Now, here in California, a lot of home builders are building 2- and even 3-story homes. And this is the exact opposite of what seniors are looking for. And even with 55 and older communities, inventory and specific floor plans can be limited. Plus, you have to factor in HOA fees, community rules and restrictions, and the overall atmosphere within that community. And we often see that some homes just don't check all the boxes. Number four, deciding between a 55 and older community and a traditional neighborhood. Now, for many people, this is their toughest decision. Some people really love the social lifestyle of a 55 and older community, the clubs, the activities, and the resort style amenities. But others don't like the added expense of an HOA fee or the rules and restrictions that come along with it. But there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer for this one. It really comes down to what kind of lifestyle you want and what's most important to you. Number five, your emotions. Now, buying a home at this stage of life isn't just a financial decision. It really is an emotional one too. Letting go of a long-time family home can be hard for a lot of people. And downsizing means sorting through decades of memories and belongings, and sometimes people just don't always agree on where to go next or what things they want to keep. And I see this one all the time. But for many seniors, it can be difficult to find a compromise. Number six, balancing location, cost, and lifestyle. Now, you might want to live close to family, but that can mean higher home prices. And many seniors here in California make the decision to move out of state once they retire because of the high home costs here. But moving out of state means less time with your adult kids and your grandkids. Or maybe you love the idea of the resort-style amenities you'll find in a senior community, but you're worried about the high cost of the HOA fees. And it's not uncommon to pay $350 to $450 a month for these type of amenities. So finding the right balance between location, lifestyle, and cost is one of the hardest parts of buying a home at this stage of your life. And finally, number seven, understanding taxes and insurance. Now, property taxes and insurance can have a huge impact on a senior's budget. Now, here in California, we have Prop 19, which can be a huge benefit if you're over the age of 55 and you want to transfer your current tax rate to your new home. But a lot of seniors aren't even aware of this benefit. And then there's homeowners insurance, which has gotten more expensive and a lot harder to find, especially here in California. But taxes and insurance can definitely impact what you can comfortably afford in retirement. So as you can see, buying a home later in life can be challenging, but with the right plan and a little help, it is possible to find a good fit for your senior years. So if you're thinking about making a move to a senior community here in Southern California, or you just want to explore your options, I'd be happy to help you try to find what's right for you. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.